Hey, I'm Jennifer Heyer with Early Learning Ideas, and today I want to show you how to easily customize these name practice activity mats. You can add your kids' names to them, and you can even add their images to them digitally. So let me show you how to do that. The most important thing is that you use Adobe Acrobat Reader on your desktop or laptop. Adobe Reader on a device is just not the same thing, and it just doesn't work quite right. So you need to be using your laptop or desktop. And what you want to do is make sure you open the document in Reader instead of the default app that your computer automatically opens things with. So to do that, to make sure you do it, you go into Open Reader. And now that I have Adobe Acrobat Reader open, I want to show you, I am using the Pro version, I'm using the paid version. So things are going to look just slightly different, but you do not need the paid version, you only need the free version. Okay, so now that I have Adobe Reader open, I'm going to go to File and Open, and then I'm going to navigate to my computer where I have this file stored. And here is a name mat file. Okay, so one of the first things that you're going to see, you're going to see a terms of use page and some direction pages, and you want to scroll to this class list form. Hang on, I like to see a bunch of different pages at once. This is the form that you're going to use to add the names and letters, the names to the document, and then the letters to the letter squares that you can print off. I can't speak at the moment. And then another thing that I want to point out to you as well is you use this print planner page to help you determine which pages to print. So we'll make it a little bit easier for you. There are two different versions of these name mats. The first version is one that you can insert an image in. And the second one will just feature the first letter of their name. So you can choose which one you want to print. We'll show you what pages to print. And let me put some names in here just to start off here. So I'm going to just fill this out with 3 students' names. So I'm going to do Amber. And then I'm going to go over here, and you want to make sure on all the mats that you do this first letter. I tab, and you can do the rest of the letters. You don't have to do all of the letters if you don't want to print off the letter squares, but you do need to print this first letter here. Okay, so my second student is, I already have these numbers in here. When you get yours, it should be blank. I have the numbers in here because I was just working on inserting pages and things like that. Okay, so next I have Ben, E-N, and then the third student that I'm going to put in here is Clay, and C-L, tab, A, tab, Y. Okay, so now let me show you what happens. This will show you, okay, on the print planner page, it shows you that for Amber's pages, if you do the version 1, you can print page 8. For Ben's, if you do version 1, you'll print page 9. Okay, and this isn't exactly right because I haven't added my terms of use and direction pages. So when you see page 8 here, Amber's actually going to print up on page 3 at the moment. So your print planner page will be right. We'll make sure that it's right. Okay, so now if you want to add a picture in here, all you're going to do is click on this square right here in the upper right hand corner. And when you do that, you see what happened there? I just clicked it. A select image menu box opened. And so then I can click browse, and I go to the images that I have saved in my computer, and here is a square image of Amber. You want to have some square images ready to go. And I click OK, and look at that, it inserts that in there. Okay, you see how these are blue? Those won't be blue when you print it. So I'm going to go to the next one, and this one is Ben. And so I'm going to add Ben's image in there. Okay. And then who's next? Clay. Browse, and Clay square is right there. So that's all you have to do. If you don't want to put images in there and you want to just feature the first letter, then use your print planner pages and you can print up a page that looks like this. So it will say Amber starts with A instead of having Amber's picture there. So that's always an option too. So that is all there is to it. Now you can just print the pages that you want and you're all good to go with customized documents for your kids.